Hi, in this video I will show how to convert Evtx files to CSV format. You can see on my computer I have Evtx file. I can double click on it to open into Evtx viewer, which is free app, and I can show you what is inside of this Evtx file. We have a record, channel, computer time created, some name of the process created by that created this event, system time, and some data attached to events and other fields, because some fields could have like driver name or processor architecture or something like this. It also will be added, and also in this viewer I can export into different formats as well. I will be using this file to convert it into CSV with application I will download and install from my computer. From this website. I will leave link on the site into description. To find application, I will click on search and type Evtx, and I will need this Evtx to CSV. So I'll click on that, and then click on download button to start downloading process, and later the archive will be downloaded. I will be recording more videos on Evtx converters and how to convert Evtx file to different formats. So if you are interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So next, we are waiting for archive to be released from Google Cloud in a second. Yeah, it's taking a little longer, and Google say it cannot scan for viruses. I'll click download anyway. The good thing is that Google Drive always scan for anything wrong with archive. So archive is definitely safe if you download it from Google Drive, and this is why I like Google Drive. It takes a little longer to download file, and it's couple seconds wait, but file is safe. So I will click on downloaded archive. You can see archive has been downloaded. I will click on it and double click on MSI inside archive and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install, click on yes, and click finish and final screen. And you can see I have an application installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we have to select our VVT file. I will click on this button to select input files. Navigate to my Evtx test, which is 2 MB, 3000 event logs in it. I'll click on open, and I can add more files if I'd like to have. They will be placed into different CSV files, and but one file is good enough for demonstration purposes. Click on next step. Here is the difference, like I can select here is a difference between this application and Evtx viewer I showed you at the beginning of the video, because Evtx viewer, it will convert everything into CSV. But what if I want to create just separate things, like say time created maybe? I don't want computer because computer is always the same. It's just one computer, everything was recorded. And I want to have data and maybe keywords and right, and that's it, right? And so I'll click on next step, and final step I will click run to create CSV file. It's asking me for name and location of the file. This name and location is okay. Let's call it my events, and click save, and CSV file has been created. Let's go and see file. I can open it into CSV viewer. It's also free app. It's showing what is inside of CSV file. It is showing me only fields that I selected, which is keyword and data. Or I can open it into Notepad just to show you that this is a CSV file indeed. we have a first row which is name of the columns, and after that we have all data we selected for that. Keywords usually key is like error number if we want to Google what is going on. So this is like error number. It's usually, yeah. Sometimes they have different error number right in it. So, and some data associated with the event and so on. I can select multiple fields if I want to, like select everything. It will be large CSV file, but yeah, let's select and store it. Here, new CSV file. Yeah, I can double click on open it into CSV viewer and you can see it has all data exported, or I can open it with Notepad. Yeah, and first row will be name of the columns, and then it will be data in it. All other rows will be data. So, and there will be 3011 records as an original Evtx file. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, ideas, please leave them in comments below. And if you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.